Today we are going to discussing about private defense of property. Right of private defense of property is available against any of the following offences or an attempt to commit such an offence. They are theft section 378, robbery section 390, mischief section 425, criminal trespass section 441. So, right of private defense of property commences when a reasonable apprehension of danger to the property commences. Right of private defense of property against theft continues till the offender has effected his retreat with the property or either the assistance of the public authorities is obtained or the property has been recovered. Against robbery continues so long as the offender causes or attempts to cause any person death or hurt or wrongful restraint or fear of instant death or of instant hurt or instant personal restraint continues. In the case of criminal trespass, the right of private defense continues so long as the offender continues in the commission of trespass. In case of mischief, it will continue as long as mischief lasts. Against house breaking by night continues as long as house trespass which has been begun by such house breaking continues. The right of private defense of property can be extended to the causing of death of the offender under the following circumstances. What are those circumstances? Moving on to that. The first one is if he commits or attempt to commit robbery. Second is if he commits or attempts to commit housebreaking by night. Third, mischief by fire on any building, tent or vessel which is used as a human dwelling or as a place for storing of property. Fourth one is if he commits theft, mischief or house trespass under such circumstances cause apprehension that death or grievous hurt will be the consequence if the private defense is not exercised. Right of private defense of property can be extended to the causing of any harm other than death if the act of the wrongdoer does not fall under any one of the categories mentioned in section 103. Okay, 103 is right of private defense of property can be extended to the causing of death of the offender under the following circumstances. That is 103. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. In our next class, we will discuss about abetment.